Assalamu alaikum one class. Hope you are safe and sound at your home. Welcome to your English lesson. Today the date is 18th of December 2020 and the day is Friday. Okay, today we're going to do workbook page number 77. Before starting the lesson, firstly we will discuss word of the day. Word of the day is eager, means interested. Word of the day is eager, E-A-G-E-R, means interested. Students, learn this word and try to use this word into sentences. As I have made a sentence, I am eager to learn new skills, means I am interested to learn new skills or new things. Okay, so you will also make sentences. Now message of the week is respect and serve your parents. Do you know why we have to respect and serve our parents? Because students, parents are the people in the whole world who love us without any condition. They love us a lot. They give us everything that we need. So in this, so students, it's our foremost duty that we must respect and love our parents. Okay students, now come to the point that today we are doing our 77th workbook page number. Composition, label the picture. There is a picture, we have to label it. Helmet, scooter and boy. These are the words. With the help of this word, so students, as you see, who is he? He is a boy, so we will write a boy here. Boy spelling is there, B-O-Y, boy. Okay, write boy here. What is it? This is scooter. Scooter is here, you will write it here. What he is wearing? Look at the picture. What he is wearing? He is wearing a helmet. He is wearing a helmet. So helmet spelling is here, you will write after labeling the picture, complete the instructions with words in the labels. The words that are here, by using these words we have to complete these sentences, these instructions. How to use scooter. Its topic is according to these lines, the topic is how to use scooter. As you see, there is a scooter. These are the handlebars. These are the clamp, and this is a brake where we apply the, when we apply the brake, it will stop. So student, look at this, the first sentence. Open the dash to pull the handlebars up or down. To open the handlebars up and down, open the clamp. So it is already written here, you just trace this word. When the handle dash are at the correct height, shut the clamp. When the handlebars, because these are bars, so that's why we use are, not is. Okay, handlebars, write bars here with the neat handwriting. Bars. When the handlebars are at the correct height, when they are at the correct height, shut the clamp. Then shut the clamp. Okay, the last one is to stop the scooter. To stop the scooter, step on the brake. Step on the brake. So write it here, brake. So this is the task 1 and 2. Now third one, 12 exercises. Write instruction to show how to ride a scooter in your notebook. Okay, you have to write some instructions that while we are riding the scooter, how we have to behave. Like some ideas are here. Do or what do not do. What we have to do: wear a helmet. Yes, wear a helmet. Leave the clamp open. No, this is not a good action. We should not, do not, you say do not leave the clamp open. As you read here, when the handlebars at the correct height, shut the clamp. They said shut the clamp, not open the clamp. So we say that do not leave the clamp open. Press the brake when you want to stop. Yes, it's correct. Press the brake when you want to stop. Student, you can add more sentences like, as I want to told you that some of instruction like, do not ride your scooter on busy road. You should, just because you are a child, if you want to ride your scooter, you must ride around your home. Do not go on the busy road. Okay, so do not ride very fastly. It will be very dangerous for you. If you ride very fastly, you can hurt yourself. So do not ride fastly. Ride on scooter slowly. Okay, so these are the some instruction that I have added some. So student, you can, if there is another instruction in your mind, you can write. Okay, you must write these instructions on your notebook. Topic will be instruction writing. You will write instruction writing. Write instruction to show how to ride a scooter in your notebook. This line you must write it on your notebook, then you will start writing your instructions. Okay, hope you understand. Allah Hafiz.